Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review some of the papers. Like all of my students, my followers and my subscribers are asking me what are the papers you use. Like it is a cartridge paper, like we have so many different type of papers. So let's show you today like whatever paper I use and from where do I buy. And now recently I am in Trivandrum, like I move on many places, so now I'm in Trivandrum, and if you are in Trivandrum then you are lucky. So let's tell you about the papers, what I bought it over here. It is amazing, it is supreme quality, and if you are an artist in something then you can go for that paper. My last painting, Droplet, and the Justice painting I have done on this paper only. So if you want to see those papers and if you want to know about the papers effect, how I have, from where I have bought it and all, and for what rupees I have bought it and all, then please keep on watching. Please watch this video till the end so you can see each paper and get knowledge about that paper. I buy all my things from Premium, and they have amazing quality, and they have different type of stuffs. You can go check it out. I'll give their Insta page, so you can go there, you can ask them, you can talk to them, and you can see quality stuffs, and also in a reasonable rate. So this is the first paper. This is a mount board which is cutted into A4 size. On this you can do painting as well. It is used for the crafting, modeling. If you are if you do some models and all, then this is the best paper, and it doesn't take space also. Like most of the shops I have seen, they give a huge paper of a mount board, like it is like difficult to carry, it breaks out and all. So this is the best way. It comes with the plastic like there in it. They have 10 sheet in it when you buy this bundle, and this retails for 135 rupees. Isn't it amazing? So let's tell you about what is this used for. They have written over here, so I'll just read it out. It is used for photo mounting, drawing, art and craft, and much more behind your mind. I am doing one more painting on this paper. It will be uploaded soon on my channel, so be tuned and see how this come up. And I have not used any colors at all recently. Now I am just doing my pencil colors on it, and it is turning out beautifully. I don't know, like I'm adding some acrylic colors on it, but with pencils it is coming up really beautiful. So if you are an artist and if you want to try something out, then this is the second paper I have bought. It is A3 size media. It is Bastro. It is used for drawing, pastel, charcoal, ink, watercolor and acrylic. As it is already said, it is for mixed media, so it is A3 size. This retails for something 318, and the sheets are 18 in it. So this is really nice paper, as I have done my first droplet painting on this with pencil, and I have just used mixed media, which is pencil, charcoal, little bit of charcoal, little bit of pencil, little bit of acrylic. So it doesn't give me that backup of that paper, because that paper is really a little bit thick, and it is not really thick, but it is like how amount you need, that is the thickness it has, and it is beautiful. It has texture in it, a quite minute texture in it, so it is really nice paper. So the last and the not least, but this is the last paper which I have bought from them, and this is A3 size paper. It has 25 sheets. It is called cartridge paper. If you are new to this normally I tell everyone I do use cartridge. This cartridge paper, this is like high quality cartridge paper. It is, I think you can see, it is not so thick and it is not so thin. So this quality paper is used by the students, artist students, using paper. And you can, if you are doing a startup and if you want to do some professional work, a really nice work, then this paper is for you. And it comes for 25 sheets, so you can just try it out. If you are not comfortable with the big sheets, you can just cut it out and you can use it. This is a versatile paper. It is really nice paper. You can do sketching, painting, drawing, pencil work, pen work, everything on this. If you don't want to invest in a higher budget paper, then this is the best paper you can use. And you can go to the shop and ask, like they will have this name over there. they will have this name on it, cartridge sheets. So these are cartridge sheets cut into A3 size, but you also get a cartridge paper with a big paper, like it is a huge paper. They will roll and give it to you, so that is not a difference between the both of the papers. So these are into sheets and they have packed into the packet like this. So this is really good, and you can travel with it also. So this retails for 140 rupees, and if you are going to take the big roll, means the roll, then it costs you something 7 rupees or 10 rupees. So this is the best paper for you. And so I do buy most of the stuff from Premiums, and it is the Instagram page, I will link it down. I'm saying it again and again, so you can go it, check it out. If you have missed something backwards, so I'm just telling you, you can go it and check it out, their page, and you can contact them. You can find on Google also. And if you like my videos today, then please subscribe, like my videos, and share with your friends. Whoever is into arts, into craft, share this video to them, so it will be useful for them also, and they can buy good stuffs and reasonable stuffs from a particular and best shop. So if you want, like, say, more of the videos, then please let me know. It will be the will to me. Thank you.